Jai Gurudev. So today I want to speak about one very special day in our tradition, that is Akshaya Tritiya. So Akshaya Tritiya, so this is not just another festival date. Okay, so this is one of those rare tithi where karma done with the purity, with the faith, okay, and seva, and all these things does not get exhausted easily. Okay, so that is why we call it Akshaya. Okay, Akshaya means that which does not decay, does not reduce, and Tritiya is a tithi. So this Tritiya Tithi is very, very auspicious Tithi on this particular day. And in simple words, whatever good karma you do on this particular day has the power to keep giving results for very long time. Okay, that's why this is the Akshaya. So now, many people on Akshaya Tritiya, they think only about buying golds, okay, starting new work or doing some puja at home. So these are the good things also, okay, but our Rishi have taught something even deeper. So on this day, dana done with the humility becomes very, very powerful. Okay, what is dana? Dana means simply donation. Okay, so among all forms of donation, one particular donation has a direct and immediate connection with life itself. Okay, and that is the Annadana. Okay, Anna means food, Dana means donation. Okay, so food is not just ordinary, correct? Food is a life. Okay, food is a prana. Food is a Lakshmi even. Okay, food is a grace made visible. So hungry person we know can live without any comfort, but cannot live without food. And when food is offered with respect, it is not just feeding the body; it is calming the mind also, protecting life. Okay, and when you feed someone, it is like serving Bhagwan, okay, serving God present in that particular being. So why Annadan to sadhu and sannyas is so important? Because see, on coming Akshaya Tritiya, we are organizing a campaign of food donation, specially for sadhu and sannyasis in Rishikesh. Okay, you all can even participate personally if anybody is interested, or they can also join our campaign, okay, through our Vedic foundations. Okay, so why Annadan to sadhu and sannyasis are very, very important on this particular day? So understand it, because sadhu and sannyasis are not living for themselves in the usual worldly way, okay, like we are living. Many of them have left behind comfort, okay, family attachment, okay, personal ambition. They are holding tapas, mantra, silent study, and dharma in the land. So they pray for society. They protect the current of spiritual knowledge. Okay, they keep alive the fire of the sannyas dharma. So when such beings are served with food, the act becomes more than charity. So it becomes seva to tapas. Okay, so it becomes offering to dharma. So it becomes support to the spiritual backbone of our country. And understand this very, very carefully. When you feed a sadhu, you are not doing a favor to him. You are receiving a chance to purify your own karma. Like we study Jyotish, okay, we teach Jyotish, and many of our audience are related to Jyotish only. So in Jyotish also, Annadan has a very deep meaning. The food is connected to the moon because moon nourishes, okay, and it is connected with the Jupiter because Jupiter sustain the dharma. So it is connected with the Venus because Venus gives comfort and hospitality. And when dana is done with the humility, Saturn is also pleased because Saturn blesses sincere service done without ego. So on Akshaya Tritiya, when Annadana is done to sadhu, okay, to saintly people, so many energies come together. Okay, you see Punya in it, you see Seva, Bhav, you see nourishment, humility, dharma, everything together. So this is why such act becomes very, very powerful remedies also sometimes. So many times people ask, what should I do for peace in my life? What should I do when money comes but does not stay for a longer period of time? What should I do when home has restlessness? Okay, so what should I do when blessings feel blocked? So sometimes the answer is not only mantra, sometimes the answer is not only gemstones, sometimes the answer is feeding life with devotion. That is our Annadan. So when your hand gives food, your heart starts changing. And when heart changes, okay, karma also starts changing. So that's why on the coming sacred day of Akshaya Tritiya, we are organizing another campaign for sadhu and sannyasis in Rishikesh ashram. Okay, so all these details are given in our website. You can watch it, you can participate. Okay, you can donate as per your choice. Okay, there is no limitation. Okay, there is no conditions to it. So whatever you donate, whatever donation we receive, okay, we will do another on your behalf. Okay, We also require your name for Sankalpa process, your Rashi, Nakshatra, Gotra. Okay, so whatever details you have to mail us, and then you can participate. And if you want to visit personally, you can also visit the location. Location details are already given in our website. Okay, so this is our campaign. So I will update more about it in my upcoming videos. So stay connect with us. Jai Gurudev.